Alright, so if you click on the link which I'll be adding to the comment section, that will bring you to this place right here. But firstly, to take you to my Telegram group where you actually get to see the link that will lead you to this place. And the reason why I'm doing that is to avoid YouTube flagging any link down, because YouTube nowadays used to flag a lot of links, and that is to cause a little bit of issue with the YouTube channel. So once you click on the link and it brings you to this section right here, having details like this on the screen. So all you need to do is to pay attention and make sure you follow every step I'm showing. And don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification so that you won't miss out anytime I drop update like this. So getting to this section, you see the first section that shows your email address. And all you need to do is to input your name into this box right here, your name and your surname. And after you scroll up a little bit, you get to see where you input your email address. So inputting your email address, then you can now proceed to completing all the tasks which is required for you to be able to get a free platform account. So all these tasks you're about to do right now is what will actually make you qualified to be able to get the account. So once you complete the tasks, you'll be able to get the access to the 200k platform account. And note this might actually take a little bit of your time. Take a little bit of your time on a normal note, but make sure you follow every step I'll be showing. And you can see the tasks right here you should be completing. The first one, the second one, and up to like 20 of them which you actually need to complete. And after completing the tasks, you need to take a screenshot of the task that you completed and come back to this section to paste it. That's proof of the fact that you completed the task, and you'll be able to proceed to the next one. Alright, so on how to go about the taxes, if you click on the first one, which is number one, the link shown in the first one, you take it to Trustpilot, so you actually leave a review about that's the requirement you have to do. That's what you have to do. You have to leave a requirement or a quick review on this site right here. And after leaving the review, post it on Trustpilot, and then you take a screenshot of it. And after doing that, you now come back to the site right there where we actually saw the full details of how to get the Profile account. You upload your proof right there after taking the screenshot. You can see right now I'm actually typing in a review which I'm actually going to be posting on Trustpilot. And right here I'm done with that, and I'm taking a screenshot of it. So you just need to click on this place that says add file. You can see it says add file, and to bring details like this. So after that, you click on browser, and then you now go to your file, your mobile file, and then select the screenshot which you actually made, and then just upload it right there. So you can see you should have something like this. See the screenshot, it shows screenshot and the name of the image. So it's having that done already. I've completed the first one, and then I can now proceed to the second one to do the same thing. Now these 20 taxes are different taxes, so you just have to keep clicking on the link and completing the taxes and doing exactly what you are asked. And after that is done, you just take a screenshot of everything you are doing, coming back to this place to upload the screenshot to prove to them that you actually completed the task. So after completing every 20 taxes, there's a section underneath the last one where you see submit. So this is how it all look like. So you can see the submit right there is what you click on, and immediately you click on it, it will show something like this on the screen that your response has been recorded, and it means they are actually taking a review of the taxes which you completed, and they are actually going to send you an email like this that you will actually be congratulating you concerning the tax which you have actually completed. And after some while, another email will be sent to your email address, which actually requires you to wait for the next 72 hours before you get the login details of this free Profile account, and also require you to submit your full name and surname based on the details shown right in the email. And you also need to reply them with your email address. So you can see details like this on the screen. So all you just need to do is to click on the reply right here, consisting of your name, your full name, and your email address to this right here, to this message which you received. And once you send it back to them within the next 72 hours, you'll be given login details. You'll be qualified, and you'll be given login details of this 200k free Profile account immediately. Alright, so after the next 72 hours, I'll be dropping full details about how the account looks like and the next step to go about it. So don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section if there's any aspect which I actually explained you don't understand, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and turn on your notifications so you always get updates anytime I drop videos like this. Have a nice day, guys.